The power of deep breathing. Unlocking the benefits for body and mind.
Deep breathing is a simple yet powerful technique that can have a profound impact on both physical and mental well-being.
By taking slow, deliberate breaths, individuals can calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve overall health.
Physical benefits of deep breathing. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Deep breathing can help calm the nervous system, reducing stress and anxiety. 2. Lowers blood pressure. Regular deep breathing practice can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Improves sleep. Deep breathing can help regulate sleep patterns and improve the quality of sleep. 4. Boosts immune system. Deep breathing can help reduce inflammation and boost the immune system. Mental and emotional benefits of deep breathing. 1. Increases focus and concentration. Deep breathing can help improve focus and concentration by training the mind to stay present. 2. Enhances mood. Deep breathing can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. 3. Improves self-awareness. Deep breathing can help individuals develop greater self-awareness, allowing them to better understand their thoughts and emotions. 4. Reduces symptoms of PTSD. Deep breathing can help reduce symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, promoting emotional healing and resilience. How to practice deep breathing. 1. Find a quiet space. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distractions.
2.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, feeling the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. 3. Breathe deeply. Take slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. 4. Focus on your breath. Focus on the sensation of your breath, letting go of distracting thoughts and emotions. Tips for incorporating deep breathing into your daily life. 1. Practice regularly. Make deep breathing a regular part of your daily routine, practicing at the same time each day.
2.
Use deep breathing in stressful situations. Use deep breathing to calm your mind and body in stressful situations. 3. Combine with other relaxation techniques. Combine deep breathing with other relaxation techniques, such as meditation or yoga, to enhance its benefits. 4. Make it a habit. Make deep breathing a habit by incorporating it into your daily activities, such as right before bed or during breaks at work. Conclusion. Deep breathing is a simple yet powerful technique that can have a profound impact on both physical and mental well-being. By incorporating deep breathing into your daily life, you can reduce stress and anxiety, improve your mood, and enhance your overall health.